See what's coming.
See what's coming.
See what's coming.
See what's coming.
Over the horizon.
Introducing the all-new Horizon ERP platform from Trendex. The next evolution of cloud-based ERP built specifically for industrial gas and welding distributors. For years, distributors have been forced to work around their software, dealing with slow workflows, manual processes, and systems that haven't kept up. Horizon changes that, bringing a faster, simpler, and more intelligent way to run your entire operation. Built on everything you trust from Trendex, Horizon delivers the same powerful functionality, now with a modern interface, streamlined workflows, and dramatically improved usability, and the right balance of AI. Tasks that once took multiple steps can now be completed in seconds, helping your team move faster, reduce errors, and spend more time serving customers. Horizon connects every part of your business, from inventory and sales to payments, payroll, and reporting, all in one unified platform. With built-in e-commerce integrations, AI-powered email marketing tools, and predictive inventory management, Horizon goes far beyond traditional ERP. And with fully functional mobile apps, your team can track cylinders, manage deliveries, and stay connected, wherever the job takes them. But what truly sets Horizon apart is intelligence built directly into the system. From automating routine tasks to generating marketing campaigns and providing real-time insights, Horizon helps your team work smarter every day. With fully customizable business intelligence reports that give you complete visibility into your operation. Now, let's meet your AI-powered order assistant, built right into Horizon.
Can I get your account number or company name? I have Acme Corporation listed with account number 100000001, located at 123 Main Street, New York, NY. Payment terms are test and a PO number is required for orders. Is this correct? What would you like to order today? Oxygen cylinder, size 300 cubic feet. Stock number GAS-001, priced at $45 each. We currently have 40 in stock. Would you like to order 2 of these? Your order has been submitted successfully. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Thank you for your order. Have a great day.
You can choose to have your assistant during business hours, or have it on standby after hours, so your customers can place orders whenever they need to. So you never miss a call, and never miss an order. So what's on the horizon? Our new cloud-based ERP solution. Now your team can connect from anywhere, whether it's across the city or across the country, and all of your data is safely stored and backed up on the cloud. With a new user experience, smoother workflow, AI-powered tools, including predictive inventory management to keep your most profitable products in stock. Reach out to your customers with AI-powered email marketing tools and a powerful order assistant that can take care of your customers, even when your team is not available or busy. Get paid faster with fully integrated credit card processing, month-end, counter sales, or on your website. Get the data you need to run your business. Whether it's online orders, payroll, or day-to-day operations, everything runs through one system that just works. Let's start a conversation.